everyone, we're going to write an exponential equation in this form right here, whereby a is positive and also a cannot equal 1. So the first thing I notice, I have 3 points that are given to me that lie on the graph. So I'm going to go ahead and write this as y equals k times a p to the x. So I'm going to plug in one of these points, and the easiest one to plug in is this one right here. So we're going to solve for k by using this. So our y is 1 equals k times a p to the 0 times 0. So this will be 1 equals k times a to the 0. A to the 0, anything to the 0 power is just 1. So I get my k equals 1. All right. And then we're going to use another point. And we're going to try, since I don't want to work with negatives, I'm going to do this point right here and plug it in. So I'm going to plug in, since I have my k, I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to go back to this one. So my y would be 5 equals, my k is 1, so I don't need to put that, a to the p times 1. And so that's just 5 equals a to the p power. Therefore, if I let my a, if p is 1, then my a equals 5. And if you do that, then what you have is your f of x equals k, which is 1, so I don't need to put that, 5 to the x power. I'm just filling in this right here. My k was 1, and my p was 1. And I filled it in. The only thing is I want to double check and just make sure that this point is satisfied. So basically, I have f of x equals 5 to the x power. So this is really y equals 5 to the x. So let's plug it in and see if it works. So my x is negative 1. So I put y equals 5 to the negative 1. And y equals 1/2. Whoops, 1/5. And so that works. So this is the right equation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.